welcome back and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got this SZA-inspired look using BetterLength clip-ins. If you're interested in the clip-ins, I will have a coupon code for $5 off, as well as all of BetterLength's information in the description box. I really like the clip-ins a lot, and I love the style that I came up with. As soon as I saw this picture of SZA, I was inspired. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and comment down below what you think. Also, don't forget to subscribe, and let's get started. So a little bit about BetterLength. BetterLength is a hair company that specializes in textured clip-ins, and the ones I received specifically are the Kinky Coarse texture, which are supposed to mimic blowout texture, and I do agree with that. When I first received them and I took them first out of the pack, they definitely look like a big fluffy natural hair afro. The clip-ins came inside of a UPS bag, which inside of that was another small white plastic pouch that had the clip-ins inside of it. The actual clip-ins came inside this BetterLength. It's like a satin type pouch, and then the hair was actually inside of a little plastic wrapper inside of the little satin pouch. So it was like really packaged safely. And when I first took them out the package, the first thing I noticed was how soft they felt and how much they looked like the blowout texture of our natural hair. Yeah, they were super soft, but I did want to co-wash them, clean them before I put them in my head. So I co-washed them using the SZA-INSPIRED coconut co-wash. And when I co-washed them, I noticed that the texture did get a little almost crinkly. So I was wondering how it was gonna look once they air dry, and I hung them up to air dry, and this is how they look. Like at first it was just crinkly up at the top, and then the bottom was more so straight, but once I washed them, they did go to this almost like crinkly wavy texture, which I mean, it's not bad, but I think maybe if I had blow dried them instead of letting them air dry, they would have dried the way that they came in the package. So I'm just gonna go over these a couple times with the flat iron just to get them a little straighter before I install them. And my flat iron is set to 370, and I'm just gonna lightly bump it. And it feels still super soft, and this is definitely more close to the texture that it looked when I first took them out the pack before I co-washed them. And my hair is flat iron, but my hair is super thick anyway, so I think these are gonna blend well. I was sent one bundle of these Kinky Coarse clip-ins, and it's a 10-piece set that's supposed to be enough hair to use on your entire head, only using one bundle. So I'm gonna finish flat ironing the rest of them, and we'll see just how well they blend and how full it's gonna look once I install them. I also did want to mention that I got the 18-inch clip-ins, so they're pretty long, and the color is in the color natural. These are double wefted clip-ins. It means that there's 2 rows of hair on one weft. So I don't even know if you'll be able to tell, but it makes it a lot thicker. That's why you're supposed to only need one bundle to get a full look. So we'll see. I'm just gonna part my hair and place them in how I want them to go, and I'm excited to see how it's gonna look. So the clip-ins are super easy to put in. You really just part your hair, and then you open up the clips and slide them down onto your scalp and then clip them closed. And so the 10-pack came with a 1 3-clip clip-in that I just used at the bottom, and then I'm gonna use the second 3-clip clip-in right above that, because this is like the same width of my hair, kind of like at the base of my neck. So I'm gonna part it again, and then I'm gonna use one of the 4-clip clip-ins on top of that. And it actually comes with 2 4-clip clip-ins as well. So I'm gonna part that section as well and then place that one. What I really do like about these clip-ins is that the 4-clip is pretty wide. Like I've used other clip-ins where the 4-clip is probably as wide as the 3-clip. So the 4-clip kind of fits like over the midsection of my head, and then the 5-clip, I can actually get that all the way around to where it actually clips around towards the side of my head on both sides. So you'll be able to see it better right here. So I'm working around the front, parting that section just from ear to ear, well not really ear to ear, maybe like eyebrow to eyebrow, and the 5-clip clip-in is gonna reach all the way from the middle of my head all the way around to the side, almost to the front of my head. It's hard to see here, I should have turned around, but it goes all the way around to the front, and you can see it has started to look pretty full on the sides without even, well, before I even added the 2-clip clip-ins, which the set comes with 4 of the 2-clip clip-ins, and I put 2 of the 2-clip clip-ins on each side, and that was all of them. I was able to get all of them in, and as you can see, it's looking pretty full. To cover my clip-ins in the back, make sure they weren't showing, I used a wide tooth comb just to comb them over a little bit, and then I used a fine tooth comb to blend my hair with the clip-ins. And you can see right here, like, it blends so well. If my hair wasn't so short, I think it would be a like perfect blend, but this is pretty good, especially with my hair being so short. So I decided to throw in some wand curls so that my hair was curly like SZA's. Nothing too fancy, just grabbing like medium sized sections, wrapping around the wand and holding it for like maybe 5 to 10 seconds before letting it go. And I think the hair curled pretty nicely. It gave it like a wavy type texture. So then for the knots at the top, I first tried to do it like just as a bun, and it wasn't staying, it wasn't looking right. My hair was sticking out, so I decided to take it out and then try to do it by like twisting it around instead. So almost similar to like a Bantu knot. I twisted it around itself first, and then I added a rubber band to close it off, and then I pulled it out a little bit to make it a little bit bigger. And then I decided to fix all the rest of them because I had did them the other way. But once you do the little Bantu knot and you seal it with the rubber band, the rest of the hair, like the curl, falls around the back of your head. So it's not gonna show any of the clip-ins that you have in the back because you have those curls just kind of like cascading over the back. So then I just decided to curl my hair to look like SZA's bangs. I did use grapeseed oil on my hair as a heat protectant, but yeah, that's pretty much the style. So this is the final result of my SZA-inspired hair using these BetterLength clip-ins. I really like how it turned out. I'm feeling it. And even in the back, you can't even see where the clip-ins are. So very undetectable, super easy to put in. I would say that you probably need to have your hair blow dried or flat ironed instead of trying to install the clip-ins over top of like a braid pattern. I would say definitely blend it with your hair. But overall, I really like them. The hair is really soft and full using only one bundle. And I was able to easily achieve this SZA-inspired look. So yeah, if you want to check them out, definitely check out the description box. I'll leave all of their information there, as well as a coupon code for $5 off any double wefted clip-ins. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and comment down below what you think. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.